Aqua Recovery Daily Moisturizing Vitamin E Cream is rich with revitalizing Kangaroo Apple and green tea extract and infused with anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties. Most nourishing ingredients: healing and restorative, rebuild and strengthen skin, complete formula for perfect health of skin. Enjoy nature's most nourishing ingredients with Aqua Recovery Daily Moisturizing Vitamin E Cream, a healing, restorative day cream designed to rebuild and strengthen skin with every use. Our unique blend of natural vitamin E, Kangaroo Apple, green tea, evening primrose, Calendula, Chondrus Crispus, Shea extracts, avocado oil, and water-loving hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration to soothe the skin and encourage the skin's natural repair process. Some of the benefits of this repair skin cream are: it moisturizes your skin, it hydrates and soothes your skin immediately, it lightens and rejuvenates your skin while also providing anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It is rich in antioxidants and conditioning agents. It promotes health and quality of collagen while also giving skin a firmness, with free radical protection to enhance scars to heal and reduces some marks, having a punch of anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties. Aqua Recovery Daily Moisturizing Vitamin E Cream, nourishment for every occasion.